Namaskar. Decline of industries and changing conditions of artisans. All the policies implemented by the British government had a deep impact on the Indian economy. It completely it completely changed the traditional structure of the economy and made it a colonial economy designed to meet the needs of the newly emergent industrialized economy of Britain. The different sectors of the economy that were affected by the British policies are as follows: ruins of Indian handicrafts industries and artisans. The Indian handicrafts that had made the country famous collapsed under the colonial rule. This was mainly due to the competition posed by the machine-made goods that were imported from Britain. The ability of mass production of goods helped Britain to flood the Indian markets with cheap products, especially cotton textiles. The railway facilitated the reach of these goods to the remotest parts to these goods to remotest parts in India, and the procurement of raw materials from these parts. The traditional handicrafts industry faced a tough competition from these goods produced in bulk. The policy of free trade followed by the East India Company helped them to dictate terms of trade. They compelled the Indian craftsmen to sell their goods below market price, and they hired their services at below the prevailing wages. This forced many handicraftsmen to abandon their ancestral trade. The British exported raw material from India like cotton. As a result of the Indian weavers have weaver the Indian weaver had to buy these materials at high prices. The Indian had to buy these materials at As a result, the Indian weaver had to buy these materials at higher prices. This in turn raised the cost of Indian handicrafts as compared to the machine-made goods. Indian goods were also subjected to high tariffs in the English market, whereas the British goods gained duty-free access into the Indian markets. Deindustrialization. As a result of these policies, Indian Indian handicrafts As a result of these policies, Indian handicrafts crafts faced a severe challenge from the foreign goods. India now became the exporter of raw materials to British industries and an importer of ready-made goods from Britain. This phenomenon of the ruination of Indian handicrafts industry is most well known as deindustrialization. This destroyed the self-sufficient village economy, and the destruction of the traditional industries led to overcrowding in the agrarian sector. Deindustrialization had far-reaching effects in different sectors of the economy. Dhanyavad. Thank you so much.